Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make my signature background transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop-down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and go to Picture and choose this device. Now insert your signature. Then insert. Now select this picture and go to picture format, then click remove background. Now select mark areas to keep plus and you can click here. Now click this keep changes. Here you can see I remove my picture signature background transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for